Hey guys, in this quick tutorial I want to show you that how to get auto scroll option on your TikTok. So our first method is that you have to just open your Play Store or App Store and then search here for your TikTok. Make sure that your TikTok is up to date. If it is updated, then you will get this option. But if it is updated and you are not able to find this option in your TikTok, you have to just follow the next step. You have to just open your TikTok and then click on your profile at the bottom right corner, and here you have to just click on the three lines at the top right corner and then click on the settings and the privacy. Doing so, you have to just scroll down and here you have to just click on report a problem, and here just wait for loading this page. So perfectly you are here at this page, you have to just scroll down and then click on submit a report. Doing so, you have to just wait for loading. Then you have to just put here a report like I am missing auto scroll feature on my account. Please help me to fix this problem and add it to my account as soon as possible, and then click on the submit and wait for the loading. After this you can see that your report has been submitted. So within 24 to 48 hours the TikTok will respond to you and you will get the auto scroll feature in your TikTok. I hope this video will be helpful for you. For more information you can visit my website whose link I have shared in this video's description. So leave a like and a comment for this video and also subscribe my channel. Let me guide. Thanks for watching.